The countdown starts. 3, 2, 1, go. Your RC explodes off the line, taking every turn with precision, every jump with control, and every straight with blistering speed. Behind that performance is the unique green clean power, 7.4 volt 3000 milliamp hour Li-ion battery. With a 15C high discharge rate, it feeds your motor the energy it craves, lap after lap. Its 3000 milliamp hours capacity means the fun lasts longer. And with the JST-2P connector and USB charging cable included, you can recharge anywhere. No pit stops, just pure action. Perfect for UDIRC UD1601, UD1602, SG1603, and countless other 1/10, 1/12, and 1/16 scale RC cars, trucks, boats, and drones. Safe, durable, and built for those who refuse to slow down.